good motivation, no stagnation. Round 2, 3, round 4. You already know. Fresh week 5, day 1, cardio day. You already know it's the Sabbath Saturday, but it's really fresh week 35, 8 months in, jumping rope, practice make perfect. At what time is it? What time did I say? But rain, sleet, or cold, nothing Stagnate Mo4SHo, 8:19. You know what it means. Yes, sir. It stopped drizzling. I mean, it stopped raining hard, you know. So I'm back out here. Yes, sir. Warm up. Warm up before your walk, jog, or bike, whatever that you need. Let's get it. Practice make perfect. Anything you challenge yourself, motivators. Yes, sir. Let stagnate your motivation. You got 1 day left in this year. Yes, sir. So I'm proud you've been staying motivated. Yes, I am. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I hope that was a whole minute for you. Yes, sir. Woo. Man, that's good cardio. Man, let's go. Woo. Yes, sir. Open them lungs up. Inhale. Exhale. Yes, sir. Open them lungs up. Especially if you smoke. Open them lungs up. That's why it's cardio day. We all need that cardio. Like I said, walk, jog, or bike. Whatever that you need for your cardio, let's get it. Yes, sir. Whew. I was thinking about jogging outside, but guess I'm gonna be on the treadmill, so invest into your routines. You know, when the days like this, but like I said, rain, sleet, or cold, nothing Stagnate Mo4SHO. You know, still do what you can while aching. Something better than nothing. Don't procrastinate yourself. Bring your year in right, but you can understand what you need to do as a motivator. So love, self, love you back. Appreciate those, appreciate you. And keep relying on God. When our heart's sincere, blessings be answered. And we got 1 day left, motivators. So hey, start your resolution now. You know, I've been saying it all month. Cleanse yourself, get in tune with self, and understand self, what you need for change. So, if y'all here today, 8:22, blessing from heaven. I always say prayed up, share that good motivation. When our heart's sincere, blessings do be answered. It just start within. You have to be sincere with it. So let's get it. Cardio day. Last day, motivators. Let's go. Rise and grind mode. Wake and shake the makes. And all right, let's go. Peace. Shalom. Woo.